The day began with heavy rain. Relentless, gray, depressing weather that felt like it would never end. The kind of rain that seeps into your thoughts, making you believe the whole day is already lost. But then, in the late afternoon, a change. The sky began to break. Patches of light opened between the clouds, and for the first time all day, there was hope. I didn't waste a second. I grabbed my gear, left the house, and began the drive, chasing the sunset. Magho Cliffs is not just a viewpoint. It's one of those rare places where the land meets the sky in silence, where the whole of Lough Erne stretches below like a painted canvas, and the cliffs rise high above the water like ancient guardians. When I reached the top, the horizon was still thick with clouds. The sun itself was hidden, trapped behind a wall of gray exactly where it was supposed to set. But even without the golden fire of a clear evening, the scene was breathtaking. The light was soft, quiet, almost shy. Shadows drifted across the hills, and the water below reflected the last of the day in broken fragments. The air was cool, peaceful, and there wasn't another person around. No noise, no rush, just stillness. Sometimes sunsets aren't about perfection. They're about the feeling of being there, about standing in a place that takes your breath away, even when the weather refuses to give you everything you hoped for. And that's the beauty of Magho Cliffs. Even on a difficult day, even when the light is fleeting, it reminds you to pause, to breathe, and to see the world as it is. Quiet, imperfect, but still unbelievably beautiful. This is Above the Clouds.